What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I know that yesterday's video is really close to the time that this one was made, but I couldn't help that. But because I forgot that I ordered something on eBay, and it's something that's gonna help my duty belt out a lot. It's the exact same something of one of the things that I have on my belt. So yeah. So give me just a second. I gotta set the camera down so I can cut this. Okay, so what this is another pair of handcuffs. It's another pair of handcuffs, but what brand are they? Okay, so it's another set of Smith & Wessons, right? So in the comments below, tell me what model number these are, or what model these are, down in the comments below. That is my brothers in the background, by the way, guys. Okay. Now for the reveal. So they're really good cuffs. From from my experience of having, this is my second or third pair that I've ever had. I'm pretty sure it's the third, but anyway, excuse me. But anyway, oh yeah, so if you guys are wondering what models there are, so they're right here. Okay, so it's gonna be the M100 carbon steel satin nickel, M100 carbon steel blue oxide, M100 carbon steel corrosion resistant, M100-1 MMP carbon steel, and the corrosion resistant is going to be the M100-1 MNP, and the satin nickel M100P-1 carbon steel satin nickel, and then it's going to be M103-1 satin steel, or stainless steel, sorry, matte stainless, the M103P1, and the matte stainless, the M104-1 satin nickel, M110-1 satin nickel, M110-1 blue, which is the black finish. It's going to be the M300-1 satin nickel, M300-1 black, M300P-1 satin nickel, M1800-1 satin nickel, M1900-1 satin nickel, and M1-1 model 1-1 satin nickel. So yeah, here's this. By the way, the MNP is the lever. So right here, you just take it and you push it. You do this. You push it, let go, and it pops back up, and then they're double locked. But yeah. Then if you wanna service department is 1-800-331-0852. That's 1-800-331-0852 for the service department. And guys, so can we get, or do you think we, let's try to get to, let's see, 100 subscribers, and